Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how this image can be converted into a text file. Okay, I have an image with text.png, and I want to convert it into a text file .txt. Let's see how to do that. In the video description, I have provided you this link and I have provided view access to this particular file. This is a Google Colab file where you can go and create a copy of this file. After following the steps which I am going to show you, you will be able to convert the image into text. So once you create the copy of this file, you just have to copy this line and then click on this code. Come here and paste it, and again copy the second line from here and then enter and paste it, and then click on this symbol. Once you click it, it will install these two modules for you. Because I've already done it, so it will show that it's already been installed. Okay, so as it is saying that requirement already satisfied because I have already installed it. So once it is installed, go back to this code and then click on this button and just scroll down and you will see these two options. Once it is running, go and click on choose files, then go to the file which you want to convert. This was a file, open it and just wait for some time. In this folder here, your output will appear. Okay, so just keep a watch here. Text saved to output.txt. Just wait for it. It will take some time. Here it is. If I go and double click it, you will see that on the right hand side, the complete image has been converted into text. Just copy it and you can just open a text editor or wherever you want and you can just directly paste it. With the help of this code, you can convert as many images as possible. As Google Colab is a almost free tool to use, right? So you can use your major work here to convert the image into text. I hope this code and this video content will be helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe my channel and give a like. Thanks a lot.